this is me, Sanvi, and how are you all? I am fine, and today we are going to play Flee the Facility and in the Roblox. It is the famous game I have seen because everyone will play it. Flee the Facility. So I also play. I really didn't play even one time. Just I saw it, like just I play, but I'm really very big noob. I am a really big noob in Flee the Facility. So I saw some videos like Flee the Facility, so how to play I knew. So we need to hack the computers and we need to run from the beast. So I'm just typing in the chat. I am recording a video now. So let's see how they will be responding. So I don't know. This is a parkour. I don't know, but first time I'm playing. I don't know. We need to choose the map. No, I don't know how to choose the map. I don't know. First, I don't know. Second, I understood. So we should. Second game, I will also play, guys. So you can just see. I really don't know how to play like the from Beast, and I don't know what is Crystal Cam. I'm just seeing everyone. I'm a survivor. So let's start it, guys. I think so. Like when it is coming, it's coming like you're the survivor. It will come like 10 seconds. The 15 seconds head start will go away. So I am looking for the computer. I thought that was a computer, but it's a bill machine and seeing it. Yeah, that is a computer. I saw it and I'm hacking it. Like it will, yes, that one. I don't know how to do that and it came red. I don't know. I don't know. I saw in the video they said press E. I'm pressing E, but also I can't understand it. So I did something like that. I thought if the red one is there, the beast will come. No, I am thinking about that. And I didn't hack it. Like I'm seeing for the doors, what are there, any computer to hack there, because it came red, no any partner for Flee the Facility, and I'm taking it, looking for it, and I actually saw this map only. It has upstairs, but I'm looking for the upstairs. Where are the upstairs? Where are the upstairs? And I'm looking for it. I don't. Yeah, that is. I'm hacking that one and just doing my job. So you can see, no, Sunvi 89 only played one. So I'm doing it. I thought that was a beast, but he is the like partner. I really thought. I know. I think so. I'll being dead. I thought it, but it's not a beast. He didn't catch me. So okay. I got it. He's also doing his job, hacking the computers, and I want to follow him. Cause he will also hack with two will hack, no, so it will become nice. So he saw a computer and I also saw a computer. We both hacked. Yes, that one. It's my irritating one. I don't know why, but it is not at all coming. That one. I don't know. I thought that one also beast, but he's also not the beast. He's a player, and someone I don't was captured. Yes, Cookie Demon. I don't know what his name, but he the beast. I ran of it. I love the game Beast. I love the game. Yes, Beast left. I don't know why, because playing as a Beast is very hard. Playing as a I don't know, crew member, it is very easy to do it. And I really don't want to be a beast in this game. In third game, I really don't want. Like, I want to play like a survivor, crew member. And I'm showing the points. Like, what are the in PC we need to shift. Plus, I'm looking it. I'm not playing the PC, but also I'm playing in mobile. Yeah, so I saw that one map. What? Okay, how to vote this one? Okay. I got it now. Okay. So the Dijos, the boss, I don't know what is name. Dijos is the boss. Chosen that one, I don't know what is also. And I'm looking it. I'm just seeing it how to. And I'm going to Crystal Cave. What is a Crystal Cave? I'm just going. I'm just doing it. It's all, this video is only 10 minutes, so that you can not go away and just see just 10 minutes. And hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe it so I can get the motivation from you. And thank you so much. Let's play. So this is, I am very scared. Like when beast is coming, the noise will come like dun 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 dun. I'm very scared. Like, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Thinking. When beast is coming, the something noise is coming. That's very scare. Very scare. And now I'm looking for this upstairs. I don't know, but also. So I found a unhacked computer, so I'm hacking it. Again, the beast came. This beast is very like pro. He's a very pro. So that I can't, like, I'm a very noob, and I don't know his name is. I don't know which name, I didn't saw, but he's very pro. And I'm a noob. So tell it. Why can't they win? Why can't they? I played just yes, I died. I only played a game, that also I didn't win it. And I will compulsory do this part 2, guys. I'll compulsory do this part 2, because everyone are waiting for this moment. We need to escape, otherwise why the video? But the video will be becoming large, editing will be so hard, so that this is and one boy rescued me. I didn't see that only. One boy rescued. Oh, again, I will capture. I know I capture. And that's it. Again, if anyone are not helping me, because like, yeah, I just waste time. I'm typing in the chat, help, so anyone will help. And they played literally very nice, but but the editing will be so much hard, so that I cut it, that one. See you all in next video, and bye guys.